Hello. Our story today is Miss Bindergarten Celebrates the Last Day of Kindergarten by Joseph Slate, illustrated by Ashley Wolf. It's the last day of kindergarten and oh, Adam brings carnations. Brenda has perfume. Christopher says it's for Miss B, a big goodbye balloon. Our kindergarten year. Goodbye. Miss Bindergarten celebrates the last day of kindergarten. Danny scrubs a table. Emily hands back rocks. Franny clears her bin and shouts, "Oh no, 3 smelly socks!" Miss Bindergarten celebrates the last day of kindergarten. Gwen collects the building blocks. Henry packs them away. Ian hides beneath the desk. I really want to stay. Miss Bindergarten celebrates the last day of kindergarten. Jessie shows off her bathing suit. Kiki says, "Mine pinches." Lenny says, "That's because you've grown a whole 2 inches. Maddie sets up a sprinkler. Noah connects the hose. Ophelia tries to take a drink and gets squirted in the nose. Miss Bindergarten celebrates the last day of kindergarten. Patricia passes pizza. Quentin says, "Cheese, please." Raffy's pepperoni slices balance on his knees. Miss Bindergarten celebrates the last day of kindergarten. Sarah signs a memory book. Tommy prints "Good luck." Ursula tells about their trip to see a fire truck. Vicky hands out prizes. Wanda shouts "Tremendous." Xavier gets a ribbon. The perfect class attendance. Miss Bindergarten celebrates the last day of kindergarten. Yolanda yells, "We love you." Zach gives a cheer. "Goodbye, kindergarten," says Miss B. It's been a special year. Here's a little gift for you, a penny and a kiss. The penny for success to come, the kiss that you'll be missed. Miss Bindergarten celebrates the last day of kindergarten. And you can see she's sad. Miss Bindergarten, thank you for a wonderful year. And boys and girls, I know this year has been quite different and we did not get to do all the special end of the year things, but as the next couple of weeks come to a close and we're still continuing to do our work and read each day, I want you guys to know that I love you and I do miss seeing you each and every day.